Let me ask you something. When you look at a green bell pepper, can you tell if it's male or female? Sounds strange, right? If it has 4 lobes, it's considered female, with more seeds and a sweeter taste. If it has 3, it's male, firmer and better for cooking. It's a small detail, but it changes how you use it in your kitchen. But peppers aren't the only food hiding secrets. Carrots. Ever see a carrot with a green ring at the top? Most people throw it away thinking it's bad. But that green comes from sunlight exposure, and it actually contains chlorophyll, a powerful detoxifier that may support liver function. Garlic. If you crush garlic and wait 10 minutes before cooking it, a compound called allicin becomes fully activated. Allicin is what gives garlic its antibacterial and heart protective powers. But if you cook it too quickly after chopping, you lose most of those benefits. Coconut water. During World War II, coconut water was actually used as an emergency IV fluid because its composition is so close to human plasma. It's not just refreshing, it's biologically compatible with our body. Boiled eggs. If you boil an egg and the yolk has a green or gray ring, don't be alarmed. It's not spoiled. That color comes from a harmless reaction between iron and sulfur, and it could actually mean the egg was overcooked, not expired. The more we learn, the more we realize. Food is medicine, but only if we understand how to use it. So tell me, which of these facts surprised you the most? And did you already know any of them? Thanks for watching. And if you're as fascinated by food and health as I am, be sure to follow for more discoveries like these.